What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another video. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another. There's spiders all over my car. Literally, these baby spiders everywhere. Okay, welcome to another video. My name is Nick, and in today's video, I'm going to go finish up some stuff from last week that I was supposed to do and didn't get to. If you remember, I was going to hit up a thrift store and a pawn shop. My goal is to go actually do that today, since I was not able to do that last week. Today is military and veterans, 25% off, so I'm looking forward to that. It's also, I'm going to look for books, and so I'm going to try to branch out sort of into the books realm. Sorry if there's any wind noise. It's windy right now. I'm going to branch out and sort of start trying to sell some books. I sold a couple books just from my personal collection last week. A 2-book set. It was turned out pretty well. I made 16 bucks on the books, and I didn't pay anything for them. So maybe I'll have a little bit of success in that. With all that being said, let's jump into this. All right, guys. So basically, this is the book section here. Several hundred books I'm going to be going through. Taking the next hour or so to just sort as fast as I can and find comps on eBay to see what I can do. Most of these books are $1 to $2 a piece, and so I think there's some good margin for profits. Living history, Hillary Clinton. That might be something good to look into. I don't know. So that's what we'll be doing for the next hour. Hey YouTube, welcome to Tuesday. Today's Tuesday. I fell off the wagon with yesterday's video, so you saw that I kind of didn't finish up the Monday clip, and so we're into this. Before I jump into what I'm going to be showing you, what I got from the thrift stores, I want to let you know that I'm going to be focusing on putting out one video per week, and the reason for that is I've tried multiple videos per week, and I just keep failing at it, so I'm trying to find the right speed, the right fit for me, because I have so many things going on. I'm juggling so many balls in the air right now, and so between family, 3 kids, wife, church, and doing photography and editing and reselling, I got a lot of stuff going on. Not to mention just taking care of my house and trying to make dinner sometimes and mow the grass. So one video per week coming out on Mondays. It's going to recap the entire week. It's going to have a Monday, a Tuesday, a Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Ideally, that may not actually happen depending on if I have video footage from a particular date, whatever. For today's clip, I'm going to show you things that I bought yesterday at the thrift store, go over the numbers, what I paid, what I'll be selling them for, how I'll split it, and that sort of thing. So let's get into this. So right here you see sort of a wreck, a mess on my chair here. This is what I got from 2 stores. I spent a total of $28 plus tax. So we'll just call it 30 bucks to be round. I got some books, I got a watch, I got shoes, hat, more book, a shell, some toys, some gloves, this cool shirt that I can't wait to show you, and then a Bible. Yeah, so let's go through all of this stuff really quick. All right, so the first thing that we got here is a watch. It's an unbranded watch, and it's very simple. It's basically a teal. It's got teal and white stripes on the face, gold accents, and an anchor. It's blank on the back. I actually found this particular watch on eBay selling. The sold prices were about $12 to $17 plus shipping, and so I went with $12. I paid $4.25 for this, and I am going to sell it for $12 plus shipping. All of these items are gonna have a plus shipping. We're not counting the shipping towards our profit. So any numbers I give you, it's just what I purchased it for and what I will sell it for. Everything else will have additional shipping to it, so we're not counting those numbers. Second thing I got here is Hillary Clinton's book called Living History. Hillary Rodham Clinton. I have no idea what this book's about. I don't care what it's about. I don't care for politics. I don't care if you love Hillary or hate her. I'm selling the book. I bought it for $1.18 after my military discount. The local thrift store here has Mondays, our military discount. You get 25% off. So I paid $1.18 for this. I'm gonna sell it for $7. This book right here, I'm kind of not positive about this book. Do-it-yourself screen printing. I paid $1.48 after the discount. Gonna sell it for $8. None have sold yet, but there's a bunch like this that are on sale, priced at $12 to $17. So I think I'll come in under that at $8 plus shipping and see if I can actually snag a sale from that. Another book that's not gonna get like a super crazy margin. I paid 75 cents for it, and they're selling for $5 plus shipping on eBay, so we'll do that. This book right here, once again, none of this particular book sold, but similar books, similar anatomy coloring books selling on eBay for $12 to $15. I paid $1.48 for this. I'm gonna sell it for $8 plus ship. This book is probably gonna be the hardest of all to get out there. It is a US stamps field guide for the small percentage of humans that collect stamps. I got it for 75 cents. When it was at Ollie's, it was selling for $2.99, but this particular book is selling for $7 on eBay. I don't know how many people are actually going to be interested in this, but I paid 75 cents, so I'm not really worried about it. This one seems like a good deal. Da Vinci Code, paid $1.48 for it. They're selling for $5 plus shipping online, so that's what I'm gonna try to get for it. This is a first edition. I might be able to get 12 bucks for it plus shipping. However, first edition signed by Dan Brown, the author, are selling for like $900. So I will be keeping my eye out for the Da Vinci Code signed by Dan Brown, or maybe I can get Dan Brown to sign. Is he alive? I don't even know, whatever. This book, this is a super find right here. This is a Bible. It's the Everyday Life Bible with notes and commentary by Joyce Meyer. I don't know who Joyce Meyer is, but the notes and forward are by her. It's a first edition. It has a little tear in it, but amplified version, whatever. So I paid $1.48 for it. They are selling for $35 to $45 depending on condition. I'm gonna try to get $35 for this. So once again, purchased for $1.48, gonna sell it for 35 bucks. And a lot of this stuff, like it might take a while to sell. I'm just gonna hold my position and just let it go, like let it ride. These Hulk gloves, I paid $3.25 for. I will get $11. A lot of them are selling for 16 bucks a piece. They are perfect condition. There's no like picks out, you know how like foam stuff, like sometimes people pick at it, I don't know. The open fist, this is called open fist glove style shorts. I found that out because I researched it. No electronic sound or anything. So it's an open fist. It's not the like solidly gripped fist. Open fist glove style, meaning it's like a glove. There's no like bar to hold on to in here. It's like a glove. And they're short. They're not like the longer ones. So they're selling for 16 online. I'm gonna try to get 11 just to move them quick. So 11 plus shipping. This hat, Boston Red Sox hat. Once again, don't care if you like the Yankees or the Red Sox. I don't like either one. I don't hate either one. I don't care about either one because all I care about is flipping this stuff for profit. Paid $2, gonna sell it for 10 bucks. They're actually selling for $15 to $16 used with all the sweat marks. I'm gonna clean the sweat marks off of mine and sell it in a very good condition. The underside, not stained at all. Aside from just kind of that sweat, which is really disgusting, I will flip it for $10. So 5 times what I spent. $10 plus shipping, which is 5 times what I bought it for. This conch shell, I paid $2.23 for this after my discount. Comps on eBay are anywhere from 12 for a really trashy one to 20 bucks. I'm gonna sell this for 15. It does have a couple little dings on it, but you got to understand, like, this is a piece of nature, and so, you know, these little chips on this could very well have happened in the wild, so that's what we're gonna sell it for. 15 bucks plus ship. These shoes, I found these the thrift store where I had a discount. They were $6.98. Originally, I got them for $5.25 after my discount. They are the Nike 6.0 Zoom Converge, and they are literally perfect condition on the bottom. I don't know that they've ever been worn on concrete, probably just around a house or on carpet, because there's literally no signs of wear on these. The laces are clean. The only issue is, and I'm not sure if I'll get this in here, the inside here, there's some like pill fabric buildup. And so I will just clean that off. I have a pill eater machine that takes that right off without damaging the product. It's super clean, no wear and tear whatsoever. I paid $5.25, and though I couldn't find the exact color scheme selling on eBay, The same style, the same actual shoe, but different colors are selling for anywhere from 30 to 40 bucks. $20 for the real junky ones. These are excellent condition. So I will get 35 plus shipping on those. And then probably my number one find, or one of my top three is this LL Bean men's large night shirt. I wear LL Bean, so I know the value of them. I got this shirt for $249, which is an absolute steal. You cannot get an LL Bean shirt for so cheap, but I did. They had it listed as a long sleeve shirt for men. It's actually a night shirt. I could not find this anywhere on the internet. This would be considered, I think, a vintage because it has the older logo on there, the older tag. Also, it goes like down below my knees, and it's flannel. Every panel is a different color, so that's something very unique. It's that old school retro LL Bean. I got it for $249. And I am going to get every bit of $35 for this. If you know anything about LL Bean, brand new shirts, just a normal everyday shirt, sell for 40 to 50 bucks. This shirt being a special shirt, a night shirt, specialized, it's going to definitely get a higher price than that. However, I want to move it quick, and so I'm going to go for $30. All in all, how much did I spend? I spent $28 plus tax, which brings it to about 30 bucks. And after I tallied all of the prices of what I will get for these, we're looking at 190 plus the shipping. So almost $200 that I'll get from this, plus shipping off one day of shopping, really. After eBay fees and PayPal fees, I'll bring home $165. And then the way I have it split is I will take 40% for personal, like to pay myself, which is 66 bucks. Mind you, that's over double what I spent on all of it in the first place. And then I will put 60% toward the business, which is $99. And so next time I go out, I'll go out with more than 3 times the amount that I spent originally on all this stuff. So you can see how this scales up quickly. I took 30 out. After I sell everything and pay everybody out, I'll have $99 to go out with. And so I can take that and maybe get 6 times my money on that, which is 600 bucks. And so this is gonna go very fast. It snowballs from here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little segment of the video. Sorry if it was so long. If you enjoyed this, please be sure to give a thumbs up. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Thursday. Sorry about yesterday. There wasn't really a whole lot going on. I just basically posted a bunch of stuff, listed it on eBay all day long, made some sales. Today, I'm shipping my stuff out and I have to clean out this shed, AKA the Woolsey Ghetto warehouse, because it's not even a warehouse, it's just a little shed. And we're slamming it full of all of the stuff that we can fit in it. It's becoming quite a wreck and things are a little bit hard to find. So I'm gonna organize the new addition to this shed here. Are these right here, these shelves. I actually had these in my garage. I cleaned up the garage, took them out, put them in here. These will be Leona's shelves for her stuff. I'm gonna stick with my white shelf back here. We have a ton of stuff to get out. These green shelves, man, it is messy. These green shelves, probably gonna be mine because Leona has her 2 4-level shelves over there. We'll see what happens. You can see our packing area here is full of stuff that needs to get out. Here's a little tip for you guys that are new to this stuff. If you have something to ship and you don't have a box to ship it with FedEx, what we do is we use priority boxes that we get for free, and then we go get this roll of paper. I think it's 30 square feet, 15, but no, I don't know what it is. I'll figure it out. We get that roll of paper from the dollar store for $1. And it helps us to ship things. We just wrap our priority boxes, but it looks neat, you know, a nice brown package coming in the mail for people. So that's sort of like our little hack for now, because we're not buying brown boxes yet. Instead, we buy $1 paper and we wrap stuff and then ship it. Also, check out these official Disney mugs here. Let me set that down and grab a focus on this. So this is, oh man, what's his name? The little dog, Pongo or Pongo? Pongo. It's Pongo's collar mug, Disney. And then the Mickey Mouse like overall buttons. My wife got those for 50 cents a piece, immaculate condition, 50 cents a piece, and they are selling for, I think we have them listed for 12 bucks and a ton of interest on them. So that's exciting. Now it's just gonna be cleaning this place up, getting things organized, moving out some stuff that doesn't need to be here in order to make room for more stuff that does need to be here. So with that being said. Hi, Lily.
Hi.
What are you gonna do today?
In my class.
You're gonna play in your class?
Yes.
And then what?
Then I'm gonna go to Mama.
And then we're gonna come home for naps. And then we're going to go back with our friends and have a Memorial Day party.
No, we're going to a church picnic.
Right, a church picnic with our friends. Right?
Right.
That would be fun.
Yeah. Take a picture of me.
Okay, go stand over there with Ethan. I'll take a picture of you both.